you, Peter. 2 days here.
Don't swear.
Are you recording?
Yeah. We have a salmon on the Nottawasaga. We're using just a spoon.
Just a spoon.
I went over there because they were jumping, and then he got a fish.
Same spot where that guy caught one earlier. Oh.
Don't tighten it too much, Casper.
Just a bit, don't worry. Yeah, I'm so happy right
We've been
now.
here like all day and nothing. He's lost 2 spoons.
3.
3 spoons. 4th one finally got something. Looks like it's not 3rd time the charm this time.
Oh, shake.
Heart's pumping.
Yo, I was so happy. I was like so mad. Actually, I'm not gonna horse him today.
Yeah, please don't. You don't have 30-pound braid like I do.
12-pound test is all I need. Don't go down, come on. Don't want him to go down because there's some log.
Yep,
there.
there is.
Oh, head shakes.
Just don't horse him.
Oh, see that color? Oh, no.
Oh, jeez. No, don't tighten it. Just let him run.
Wow. Pays off, eh? Full
Yeah,
day.
and you wanted to leave?
I wanted to leave at like 7. Oh.
I told you they would come at 7.
You want to stay longer?
Yeah.
Oh God, my arm is. Oh. This is a nice one. You want to take a picture?
Ultralight rod.
Super ultra. Ooh. This one goes out to a friend, Jake Abtred in Europe.
Yeah.
Missing out. Oh. Oh, mosquito.
Don't just let them bite you. It's free blood donation.
Oh, he's gonna go. He's gonna make a run. Oh yeah.
Let's get a close up of that reel. Oh. Don't let him go over there. There's a pipe.
Try not to.
Oh Jesus.
No, it's okay. It's not under it.
Just make sure he doesn't go down.
The pipe's on at the very bottom.
Yeah. Okay, good. He's coming back. We've been here since like 12. We moved spots once and then didn't catch anything. And then and then on the way back we saw that someone caught a salmon at the spot that we were.
Started off. Oh, it's terrible. This is nice.
And then a guy right next to us caught one.
Here he goes.
He's gonna run again.
Hope not. This is my first salmon in the Nottawasaga, so. Oh, big colors.
Oh my. Don't tighten it. Jeez.
Yeah, pays off. At least I'm not getting skunked.
After this we'll leave, okay?
Nope. Stay for a bit longer.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, beauty. Oh.
He should be coming in soon.
Look. Here come the colors.
Oh, oh, there it is.
What a beauty.
It's probably a Chinook.
I believe so. Hope so. He hammered it. I thought I had a snag, and then I felt some kicks. I was like, oh.
All right, so I'm gonna land him right here. This looks like a good spot.
Going up again. Another one.
Jeez. Is this how big the salmon are on the credit? Or do they fight
They're
more
bigger.
than this? What the?
I have my finger on his face.
Is he gone?
No, he's still on. He's coming back. Man, if only this was my center fin, I would have been happier.
Yeah.
Alright, just move.
This is like the longest fighting salmon I've seen so far.
Oh, nice gold or silver color.
If I have to, though, I'll land him right here.
Yes, I'll bring him back up.
Don't horse him.
You stay up front.
Come on. Just don't horse him too much. Just don't horse him too much. Just let him do what he wants to.
This is a nice one.
Whoa! Nice jump. What color spoon was it? Silver?
It was green, red, and yellow, I believe.
Of course it's green. The spoon's barely in it.
No, Peter, go back up here.
Spoon's barely in it, Casper. Oh, jeez.
No, wait.
Oh!
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, bring him up. Alright, let's take a look at this spoon.
Is that a blue fox?
It's a
Ooh.
blue fox. Of course. There's the spoon, if you could see it. Nice.
Nice
Get
salmon.
him up. Look at this. Just one hook. One hook.
I told you he was barely in there. He fought good.
Let's take a look at this. Nottawasaga salmon. First one I've ever taken out. It's a nice beauty.
You want the pliers or no?
No,
There we go. Hold that out.
that's a trophy. No, it's a decent size. Not trophy.
Now you're getting picky.
Yeah. We'll take it.